Unfolding the Mystery: The Intriguing World of Origami Mathematics. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends the beauty of art with the precision of science: origami mathematics. This concept might sound complex at first, but don't worry, we'll unfold its mysteries together, step by step. Whether you're a language learner, a math enthusiast, or just curious about new things, this video is for you. Let's explore how origami, the traditional Japanese art of paper folding, connects deeply with mathematical principles. Origami is more than just folding paper into beautiful shapes. It is an art form that has existed for centuries, originating from Japan. The word origami itself comes from two Japanese words: ori, folding, and kami, paper. But origami is not just about creating aesthetically pleasing designs. It's a gateway to understanding geometry, angles, and various mathematical concepts without even realizing you're learning them. Now, you might wonder, where does mathematics fit into all of this? Well, origami is not just art. It's a visual and tactile representation of mathematical ideas. Each fold, each crease on the paper represents geometric principles and theorems. For example, constructing a simple origami figure can involve understanding concepts of symmetry, angles, and proportions. Origami mathematics can range from simple problems, like dividing a sheet of paper into equal parts without measuring, to complex algorithms used in software that designs foldable structures. One of the most exciting aspects of origami mathematics is its application in the real world. Engineers and scientists use origami principles to solve complex problems. For instance, space telescopes, medical devices, and even architectural structures have been designed using origami techniques. These applications require a deep understanding of how folding patterns can create strong, flexible, and collapsible forms. This intersection of art and science showcases how creativity combined with mathematical precision can lead to groundbreaking innovations. For English language learners, exploring origami mathematics offers a unique way to expand your vocabulary and understanding of complex concepts in a fun, engaging manner. It introduces terms related to geometry, physics, and art, while also providing a hands-on way to practice instructions and descriptions in English. As you follow origami patterns and understand their mathematical foundations, you're not just learning about art or math, you're also enhancing your English language skills in a context that's both interesting and practical. We hope this journey through the intriguing world of origami mathematics has been as enlightening for you as it has been for us. This beautiful blend of art and science not only enhances our understanding of mathematical concepts but also shows us the limitless possibilities of what can be created with just a piece of paper. Whether you're learning English, math, or simply looking for something new to explore, origami mathematics offers a unique perspective on learning and creativity. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.